Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Witty. Today we're talking about vehicles and phrasal verbs, the small expressions that make a big difference when you speak English. Whether you're driving, taking the bus, or riding a train, these 6 phrasal verbs will help you talk naturally about what happens when you're on the move. Let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is break down. When a car or any vehicle breaks down, it means it suddenly stops working, usually because of a mechanical problem. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. You can use this for cars, buses, motorbikes, anything that runs on an engine. Next is cut out. If an engine cuts out, it suddenly stops working, often just for a second, but it might come back on. Here's an example. The engine cut out while I was driving uphill. It's often used by mechanics or drivers when talking about engine problems. Now let's talk about get in or get into. We use this when we enter smaller vehicles, like a car or taxi. For instance, she got into the car and waved goodbye. Get in is a bit more casual. Get into is slightly more formal, but both are correct. The opposite of get in is get out of. This means to leave a small vehicle, like a car, van, or taxi. For example, he got out of the taxi and rushed inside. Next is get on. Use it when you enter large vehicles, like a bus, train, plane, or even a boat. Here's an example. I got on the train just before it left. A quick trick. If you can walk around inside the vehicle, you usually say, get on. And the opposite of get on is get off. Use this when you leave a large vehicle like a bus, plane, or train. For example, we got off the bus at the last stop. Remember, get out of is for cars, and get off is for public transport and big vehicles. Let's review the 6 vehicle-related phrasal verbs. Break down, when your vehicle stops working. Cut out, engine stops suddenly. Get into, enter a car or taxi. Get out of, exit a car or taxi. Get on, enter a bus, train or plane. Get off, leave a large vehicle. These phrasal verbs are perfect for travel, daily life or emergencies. Use them when describing your commute, a trip, or when something goes wrong with your car. Your turn. Which of these phrasal verbs do you use most often? Has your car ever broken down? Write your own sentence in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural English with English Witty. Thanks for watching and keep rolling forward with your English. See you in the next lesson.